Exploring amazing jungle animals from A to Z. Let's get started. A is for alligator. Baby alligators are called hatchlings and they chirp to talk to their mom. B is for baboon. Baboons have strong arms for climbing trees and rocks. C is for chameleon. Chameleons are tree climbers with colorful tricks. D is for deer. Deer are fast runners. E is for elephant. Elephants have long trunks. F is for frog. Frogs can jump high. G is for gorilla. Gorillas are big and strong. H is for hippopotamus. Hippos love the water. I is for iguana. Iguanas are cool lizards. J is for jaguar. Jaguars have spots. K is for koala. Koalas are soft and sleepy. L is for lion. They're powerful hunters. M is for monkey. Monkeys love to climb. N is for numbat. Numbats use their long, sticky tongues perfect for catching tiny bugs. O is for owl. Owls fly at night. P is for parrot. Parrots are colorful birds. Q is for quail. Quails are small birds. R is for rhinoceros. Rhinos have big horns. S is for snake. Snakes slither on the ground. T is for tiger. Tigers have orange stripes. U is for unicorn. They are kind and gentle. V is for vulture. Vultures fly high. W is for wildcat. Wildcats live in forests. X is for X-ray tetra. X-ray tetras are tiny fish. Y is for yellow butterfly. Yellow butterflies are bright and beautiful like sunshine with wings. Z is for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Thanks for watching Eaglets Club. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun.